Still downloading CSVs from Ads Manager every time you need your Facebook leads in a spreadsheet? Manual downloads are slow and easy to forget, and since Facebook only stores leads for 90 days, if you miss your window, you lose everything you paid for. So the fastest way to solve this problem is to set up an automatic data flow with a connector, and one of the simplest no-code options out there is Coupler.io. This platform lets you run an automatic leads export that refreshes daily, hourly, or on your preferred schedule. One-time setup takes about 3 minutes, and your leads sync on a schedule from there. So let's see how to go about this. The first thing is to set up a new data flow. Here, you can choose from many data flow templates, but I'll start from scratch this time. After naming the data flow, I'll pick Facebook ads from the long list of available sources. Next, I'll choose the source account and the right report. Then select the page and adjust the reporting period. By default, the data flow pulls the last 90 days worth of data, but you can customize this for your needs. From here, I'll move on to the data sets where I can do all sorts of transformations. For example, I can hide some columns that would only clutter the export, rename or reorder columns, or sort the data by the preferred field. Now, let's say that you collect candidate data for a job and request submitters to include years of experience. Well, you can use the filter option to filter out those that have fewer than 3 years of experience, cleaning the leads even before sending the data to the sheet. Once you're happy with the data, connect your Google account as the destination and choose the sheet. You can also customize the cell address, range, and import mode. Last step, set up the automatic refresh schedule. Coupler.io lets you choose days of the week and interval, which can be as short as 15 minutes if that's what you need. And there it is, your Facebook leads in your spreadsheet, updating automatically. Now that you have your data in the sheet, you can process it with Google Sheets add-ons before doing anything else. For example, with Hunter.io, you can verify every email in your list with one click, right there in the sheet, before pushing anything to a CRM, effectively saving valuable time and credits. Your leads are now flowing into your sheets. But if you also want to optimize your leads campaigns, Coupler can help with that too. It offers a ready-made dashboard that provides insights Facebook Ads Manager simply cannot. Impressions, clicks, leads, and conversion rates between each stage, all in one view. Down here, CPM, CPC, and CPL plotted over time side by side, or a campaign table with all key metrics for every campaign, color-coded so you can instantly see best CTR performers and what is eating your budget. There's also the AI Insights button. Press it, and you get a plain language breakdown of what's working and what's not. If you want to go a step further, you can connect your data to Claude or ChatGPT, or just skip the middleman and use Coupler's built-in AI agents to chat with your leads right inside the app. For example, I asked, what time of the day do most leads come in? And I got an answer in seconds. No formulas, no pivot tables, just data-backed insight and actionable advice. And that's it for today. Now you know how to connect Facebook leads to Google Sheets. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with our upcoming tutorials. And in case you want to dive deeper into chatting with your data using Claude or Coupler's AI agent, I'll leave those tutorials in the description and the cards above. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.